What?
He was tied to a pole. No shelter, no food, no way to escape. Rain was pouring hard. Cold water soaked his fur. The rope around his neck pulled tighter every time he tried to move. Cars passed. People hurried by with umbrellas. The dog cried softly, then stopped. From across the street, a man noticed something wasn't right. The dog wasn't barking, wasn't moving. He ran through the rain. The rope was short, too tight. The dog was choking every time he slipped. The man dropped to his knees, untied the knot with shaking hands. The dog collapsed instantly, breathing slowly, barely. He wrapped the dog in his jacket and carried him away from the storm. Somewhere dry, somewhere warm. Water, food, time. Minutes later, the dog lifted his head, then looked up. His tail moved, just once. That was enough. Not every rescue is loud. Not every hero is seen. Sometimes saving a life starts with noticing the one everyone else walks past.